Hey, I'm Dr. Matt Simons, and welcome to my dungeon. Here at Palm Beach Health Center, one of the things that's most important is that we do a good job in fixing a spine. Now, in terms of spinal correction, one of the things that you have to know is that before an adjustment and after an adjustment are almost as important as the adjustment itself. So one of the things that we do is we do traction on the neck and we do wobble on the lumbar spine. And what these are mobilizing devices to make sure the discs in between the spine, so if you ever heard of someone having a bulging or herniated disc, that's the cartilage in between the joints, and they can get dried out. And if they're dry, before an adjustment, it can actually make the adjustment not go so well. In addition, those discs are supposed to be hydrated, and the way that those joints move dictates how much water is going to make it into the joint. So we got to make sure that we're warming the spine up. So the way to do that, a person stands in here and then they bend down, and this opens up those joint spaces to make sure that the discs are getting hydrated properly. So I want you to think of your spine like a stick. And if your stick is green and you bend it, it has no problem. But if it's dried out and you take a brown stick and you bend it, it'll crack. And we certainly don't want you to have the dried out discs that oftentimes lead to someone having a bulging disc or herniated disc, leading to a lot more further problems in terms of spinal degeneration and joint degeneration. So the next time you go and get a spinal adjustment, make sure that you're doing things like traction and spinal wobble of the joints to warm up those joints prior to the adjustment. It'll make the adjustment safer and more effective. That's one for you to learn. I look forward to teaching you next time. Have a great day.